Let's spice up mealtime with these bold Szechuan grilled chicken skewers made with Rawdah fresh chicken cubes. Start by adding your Rawdah chicken cubes into a bowl. Pour in sesame oil, chopped garlic, soy sauce, a touch of honey, and Szechuan sauce. Give it a good mix, coat every piece, and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Trust us, it's worth the wait. Now, thread the chicken onto skewers. If you're using wooden ones, soak them first. Time to grill. Heat up some oil and place the skewers on a hot pan. Sear them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, then brush with extra marinade. Cook until juicy, golden, and just a little bit charred. Finish it off with a quick chive oil. Sizzle chopped chives in hot oil, then drizzle that flavor magic right over the skewers. Crispy, saucy, and packed with heat. These are the kind of skewers you'll crave again and again.